We're back on the show. Kasama po natin si Dave, Nikki, and Jay. Let's talk about love. Yeah. Di ba? At this point in your life, 10 years after you joined Starstruck, what do you know about love for sure?
Mahirap siya makita yung true love, yung real love. So, meron mga dumating sa akin sa buhay ko for the past 10 years na naging ka-relationship ko. So, mahirap talaga yung real love na magstay.
Kailan mo nalalaman na totoong love siya?
Like now, Tito Boy, yung na-experience ko now. Like, LDR kami. So, mahirap yung distance. And yung way lang na may express namin yung love is through the video call and through...
Are you loyal?
Yes, Tito
How
Boy.
do you keep yourself loyal?
Di ako lumalabas sa bahay talaga. Like, di na ako na go to parties or ano. Kasi ayoko rin mag-isip siya. And kasi sometimes dun ka pwede mag-cheat kapag like
Expose.
yeah, with your friends. Yeah, pwede Tito Boy kasi sila yung minsan na dumadating kapag
Iwas talaga.
Iwas po talaga Tito Boy.
At napakagandang pagpapakita nun ng respeto.
Yes, and assurance.
Sa girlfriend mo. And do you expect the same?
Yes, Tito Boy. Kasi may tiwala rin ako sa kanya. So, hindi siya gagawa ng...
Expressive din siya.
Yes, Tito Boy.
Uh-huh.
Parang same kami. Same lang.
Okay. David, ikaw,
Sa
anong iyong kwento?
Sa akin, Tito Boy, I think yung yung definition ng love talaga na nag-hit sa akin, totoo pala yun sa Bible na yun, love is kind, love is not envious, love is patient. And yun yan, nadagdagan ko lang, love is a choice din pala. Kasi simula talaga ng relationship, dun yung mga kilig, butterfly. Pero pag tumagal na siya, dun na yung parang medyo humihina yung spark. Kaya parang, parang with all the elements of kindness, patience, understanding, choice, parang dun huhubog ulit yung love na meron kami, like for my current relationship right now. So yun, every day is a choice talaga.
And every day you choose that love.
Yeah.
Nikki, ikaw?
I second yung kay Dave na about sa Bible because love should be Christ-like love. And love should be faithful, loyal, respectful, and sacrificial. Dapat willing ka or taos-puso mong ginagawa or i-service yung mga needs and wants ng mahal mo sa buhay.
And that's a two-way thing, no?
That's a two-way thing, yes.
Uh-huh.
Doon mo rin malalaman kung totoo rin yung love niya sa'yo.
Okay.
And then, there should be a communication involved also. Kasi kailangan mong maparating yung gusto mo and yung pagmamahal mo dun sa tao.